I'm sure that we will enjoy our day. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Monsieur Panos Xenokostas, président du groupe ONEX. Merci beaucoup d'être là. Thank you very much to be here. Please, you're welcome.
So good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for the kind invitation and the opportunity to be here in this important event, discussing about the future of the maritime sector and how we could contribute as shipyards and as shipbuilder and ship preparing hub to this transition. My name is Panos Xenokostas. I'm the founder and CEO of ONEX Shipyards and Technologies, a group that owns and operates in Greece the biggest shipyard complex and one of the biggest in the Mediterranean. The manpower there we utilize every day is more than 3,000 people that are servicing our ships, and in a yearly basis we are servicing more than 220 ships. And having in mind that 5 years ago the ship building and ship repairing sector in Greece was not just in decline but dead, we could say that during the last 5 years, besides the fact that we invested more than 250 million and we are running a $500 million investment plan, we have changed people's lives. Because at the end of the day, what we do in our business is to share prosperity and to change people's life, people that we are working together and people that we are offering our services. So what a shipyard is doing and what the shipyard could be in a modern world is what we're trying and what our vision is, starting from Greece and expanding to Mediterranean. The shipyards of a new era is not just a place where an owner is, let's say, hiring people and repair ships. It's that, but not just that. First of all, it has to be broader. That means that we have actually opened the activities we offer. So we offer all the kind of services needed for the decarbonization, for all the green transition, energy safety. That means that we are also involved in energy sector plans. We are building and we are designing and building offshore wind farms. So we are, let's say, we are one-stop shop. That means that from the scratch to the end of the project, meaning that we plug in and we give power to the grid, we are there. We are also involved in naval projects. We are also a port, facilities, and integrated services. That's how we can support the tomorrow's world and be more efficient. In this capacity, we're very honored because a few months ago, it was March starting from January, we were honored to have as customers the Algeria ferries. So we have finished already 2 ferries and we're finishing the 3rd one. And we returned this opportunity and the honor and the trust from the Algerian state and Algerian company as coming back here and saying that we are here and we are open to invest in this great country because we see a great potential. Because ship repairing and shipbuilding and all this shipyard field is something that every country that wants to have prosperity for its people need to pay focus and need to explore further because it's a critical sector for the future. It's a critical sector not just for what we could offer to the customers, but also for the footprint that we could achieve for the GDP. Because what we do is we hire people, we train people, and that means prosperity for people. And because of that, have in mind that the way we do our business is not we do everything by ourselves. We create an ecosystem. So we think that, and we have the shipyard as a platform where all the local industry could utilize all the technologies and services in order to offer that to the shipping industry. Having in mind that in Greece, I'm also the president of the Association of Greek Shipyards, an association that more or less represents 18,000 SMEs and 215 employees, more or less related to the shipping, what we could offer to the shipping community. So what I'm trying to say here that we have a plan to invest in the region. We have been invited by the Algerian embassy in Athens and the Greek embassy in Algeria. So we are here, we are open, and we're very optimistic of the future. And thanks again the Algerian state, Algerian ferries, and the friends and the partners here that they are giving us the opportunity to be part of what you do in your daily basis. Thank you very much.